Hey there, welcome back. Friends, in this video, we will try to understand overall what exactly is Git and why Git is so popular in industry. Now friends, what is Git? First of all, let us check who created Git. Git is created by Linus. Linus is the same person who has developed, who is the founder member of Linux kernel. Now why Linus has created Git? Definitely Linux kernel is an open source project and there are like numerous contributors. Now when we work in team, when there are like numerous contributors, we would like to have something using which we can maintain these resources, we can maintain the changes made by contributors. Now in order to manage the project where we have multiple contributors, we have the solution Git. We will definitely dig more into Git in our later videos, but try to understand that what exactly is Git. Git is nothing but a tool which helps us to manage a project where there are multiple contributors. Alright, now moving forward, what is a Git? Git is nothing but a distributed version control system. Now this is a heavy term and we will try to understand what exactly is distributed version control system in this video. There are a couple of more things which Git does, like version control, merging files, pushing and pulling the data, help us to get contribution from other teammates, and help us to resolve conflict. So Git is a very useful tool when it comes to projects where there are like multiple team members. So how does Git help us to manage a project where there are multiple contributors? Let us try to understand this. For example, there is a project and there are two persons. Person X and person Y would like to contribute onto a project. Now definitely the solution could be both of these developer can keep the source code into a common repository, into a common location, right? So this could be a solution where we are keeping the source code to a common location, and using this common location we can develop a application and multiple people can work on the application. Now this is feasible, this is good, but there could be a couple of issues. For example, if there is some kind of network issue, in that case person Y won't be able to work, right? So in order to fix this issue, the solution is distributed version control system. There is a local repository for individual developer again. So this local repository is the repository where the developer will make the changes. First of all, what is a repository? Repository is like a folder where we will keep the application. Alright. Now whenever we make the changes, we would like to make the changes in the application itself. We will definitely communicate with the local repository first of all. Now for example, the developers have done making the changes, then definitely the developer can commit the changes. Whenever we commit the changes, we can also upload the changes on the server. Likewise, whenever there are changes on the server, we can pull the changes into our local repository and we can further make changes based on our requirement. So whenever we are like uploading the changes, it is known as pushing. Whenever we are getting the changes, it is known as pulling. So push and pull are the operations which we frequently perform whenever there is a commit. Now imagine if there is some issue when it comes to the server itself. Again, there won't be any issue because these servers are maintained by organization like GitHub, and internally they have fail-safe mechanism, they have redundancy in order to give us a flawless experience. So this is nothing but distributed version control system. Now there are like couple of more terms which we will discuss in our next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.